Jasmine with WTI, and these little 3-inch wood circles are so awesome for arts and crafts projects. They come in a pack of 85, so you are gonna have so many. This would make great gifts for friends or family. There's so many different things you can do for them. Also really great for a classroom setting because there's so many of them. And you can just paint them. So I've painted these already, the background, and then you can put your own little design on it. Paint whatever you want. You can add a magnet back here. You can use Velcro. You can drill a tiny little hole up here and hang it from your rear view mirror. There's just so many different things. You can make coasters out of it. Just make sure to put a coat of something on here to protect the paint. It is an unfinished wood, so it's a really nice texture. Your paint is gonna adhere very nicely, and you can always finish it off with a coat of polyurethane or something like that. So if you're in the market for some fun arts and crafts projects for yourself or for your kids or your classroom, definitely check out these 3-inch wood circles. They are so fun, and the possibilities are endless for all the projects that you can do with them. But that's just my point of view.